Hello everyone, this is the first video in the TestOut EduApp integration series. This video will be going over the installation. You will need to be an administrator in your Canvas environment in order to do this portion of the integration. The first thing that you're going to want to do is go up to the admin tab in the top left, go to your parent environment. Come down to your developer keys and you're going to hit add key. You're going to use API keys. From here, you're going to name it. I'm going to call this one TestOut EduApp Demo. For the email address, this can be your own email address, or it can also be the email of maybe your department, whatever you'd like to throw in there. For the direct URL, or for the redirect URL, and for the redirect URL legacy, you're going to be using the same thing, this testout.com. You're going to do that, and then everything else you'll leave blank. If you do want to enforce scopes, you can go to our integration guide, and there are steps on how to enforce scopes. From here, you're going to hit Save Key, and the first thing that you're going to see here, up here at the top, is that you have a new developer ID and key. You want to make sure you turn this to on. From here, you're going to see the developer ID, and you're going to see the developer key. You need to pass these back to TestOut. We have provided a website in which you can do that. This website is, it links up the consumer key and secret with the developer ID and key that were just barely created. The consumer key and secret can be found by contacting your TestOut representative, and they will put you in contact with our implementation team to get you that consumer key and secret. Once you have those, paste those into these sections here. Come in here and you're going to copy these. You're going to paste them in. And I'm going to copy the ID here and paste it in. And then I'm going to submit, and it was successful. Great. From here, so that's the first step in this. The second step is we need to install the app. The app can be installed at the sub-account level or a parent level. It can even be installed at the course level. Though we highly recommend doing at a sub-account or at the parent account level. This is so that all the settings trickle down and so that you don't have to reinstall it every semester or term that you're working in. So I'm going to set it up on a sub-account level here at the demos. I'm going to come into my admin, or I'm going to come into my settings. I'm going to come into apps, and then I'm going to search TestOut here. And you're going to see that we are in the App Store, and it'll populate here on the left-hand side. I'm going to add an app, same consumer key and secret that we used before. I'm going to add that, and we're done. So that is all that needs to be done in order to do the installation. To double check this, and we would recommend doing some testing, you can go into one of your courses. I'm going to go into a course here, and you can go into settings, come into navigation. You can enable this, and then be sure to save it. From here, you should be able to click on it, authorize it, and it should take you to this screen. This is a really good indication that everything is working, though you could add a link and you could do the single sign-on process to get access. All right, thank you very much for attending this first video.